A lot of TPT sellers think they have a product problem when they actually have a visibility problem. And if visibility is the issue, more products usually won't help. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years and consistently rank in the top 300 sellers. One of the biggest things I've learned is this: strong products alone do not guarantee growth. Because if teachers aren't consistently finding your products, sales become unstable. And this is where a lot of sellers get frustrated because they're creating good resources, but growth still feels inconsistent. So today, I want to walk you through 3 signs your visibility system might actually be the thing limiting growth. Your first sign: your sales spike during certain seasons, then disappear. This usually means your store is relying on temporary traffic instead of stable visibility. So during back to school, testing season, or seasonal peaks, sales increase. But outside those windows, your store struggles to maintain momentum. That often points to a visibility system that isn't consistently bringing in traffic year-round. Your second sign: you keep creating products, but your overall revenue is barely changing. This is one of the clearest signs that visibility might be your main constraint. Because if new products are not getting discovered, your effort stops compounding. And this is where many sellers misdiagnose the issue. They assume, I need more products. But really, the existing products are not being surfaced effectively in the search. Your third sign: your products convert when teachers see them, but views stay low. This is huge because it tells you the product itself might not be the issue. Teachers are buying when they land on the listing, but not enough people are reaching it. And that's an entirely different problem to solve. This is why understanding the difference between visibility and conversion matters so much, because they are not the same constraint, and most sellers blend them together. One of the biggest shifts that changed my own store was realizing that not every growth problem should be solved with more creation. Sometimes the smarter move is improving how existing products are being discovered, because visibility creates leverage. A strong visibility system helps your entire store perform better, not just one product. A lot of sellers are working harder when the real issue is that their products aren't being consistently seen in the first place. And until you identify that, it's very easy to keep fixing the wrong thing. If you want to identify what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder below. It will help you pinpoint what to fix first so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to identify the actual constraint in your store so you stop guessing what to work on next. I will see you in the next video.